Besties, do you know you can make money from the comfort of your home? Without leaving your home, you can get paid in dollars. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm going to share with you step by step how to make money from the comfort of your home. Things that you can do to make money without leaving your home. Yes, so yes, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. And to all of you that are seeing me for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money and fill your pockets with cash. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. So yes, let's just get right into the business for today. Besties, do you know that you can start a home-based organization business? If you're someone who reorganizes closets for fun, offer up your services to harried and disorganized people and businesses. You don't need a degree to start an organization business, and it may not even be overly difficult to get clients either. All you have to do is create a simple website or a Facebook group to advertise your services. You can also post ads on local social media pages or on Craigslist.org. Number 2 way to make money without leaving your house is to become a grant writer. I'm telling you, you can become a grant writer and get paid up to $60,000. I have a friend that does that for a living and they pay him up to $60,000. Yes. Guys, non-profit organizations, universities, hospitals, and other community organizations all have a great need for grant money to supplement their budgets. But grants are notoriously tricky to write for the first time. If you have experience writing grants or you are willing to learn how to do it by practicing your skills without pay for a few non-profits, then you can start a lucrative freelance grant writing business. Guys, according to eHow, grant writers make anything from $40,300 to $67,000. You heard me. I told you a friend of mine is making $60,000. Another way to make money from the comfort of your home is to teach music lessons, teaching piano or guitar or violin or singing lessons out of your house. Yes, so it's a well-established way to make money as a wife or a student. Yes, so guys, if Lois Griffin can do it, so can any musically minded entrepreneur do it. While you can teach music lessons in person, quite a few websites also let you market your services or even teach music lessons online. Some of the best options include live music tutor and take lessons. Another way to make money is to use your language skills to translate. If you know a second language or even a third language, guys, you can make a living at home translating documents. Also note that many translators work on freelance basis, so it's possible you could create a translation business, then complete one-off work for a variety of clients. You can also start a translation business. It's easy as creating a basic website. You can just start a website and advertise your services, and you can reach out to businesses in your area that might require translation from one language to another. Yes, so or you can try networking in fields of businesses that you believe may benefit from your services in the future. Another way to make money is by leveraging your graphic design skills. Guys, businesses always need graphic designers to help them convey information visually through logos, advertisements, posters, websites, and the like. While it's possible to be an entirely self-taught graphic designer, most either have a degree or a certification. Other than the cost of design software, this business has very little overhead and it can be done anywhere with a dedicated computer. If you have the type of graphic design skills that businesses need and you have the resources to buy the software, guys, hey, you need to get started because this might be the home-based business for you. Now, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, graphic designers have a median salary of $52,110. Guys, I'm also going to share a secret website. It's a not so secret website, but a lot of people are not aware that they are sleeping on it. Yeah, so now, do you know that there's a website called nextdoor.com? Yes, Nextdoor, like your neighbor, nextdoor.com. You can make a lot of money with Nextdoor. I have made a lot of money on Nextdoor. It is super easy. This is a bonus tip. What you need to do is sign up on Nextdoor, yes, verify your address, it is, for safety. You can only interact with people in your neighborhood, in your county, or in your, not just your county, people in your city. Yes, people in your city. You're connected to people in your city. So if you have about 100,000 people in your city, 100,000 clients, you don't even have to service all of them. You just 10,000 is enough, or even 1,000. If 1,000 but times how much your services cost, you can actually make good money on Nextdoor. And here is how it works. Go on Nextdoor, sign up on Nextdoor, register yourself, create an account, verify your address. When you do that, then you can start to post your services with pictures. Yes, if you have any testimonials, you can post your services with pictures. You can do it daily. Now, when you do it daily and you don't want to sound salesy, I also have a solution for you. What you need to do is post motivational quotes and put a picture of what you do. Yes, alongside with it, people will be curious, and when they see your post, they know, oh, there's something to learn from this person's posts. So you can use motivate. The first time you can introduce yourself and you can also join groups and also create a group. Yes, you can do that. You can do business owners in your city. You put your city name. That will be the name of the group, and people will find it themselves. You don't need to look for people. Nextdoor is going to promote your group to people and they will join you. Yes, thank me later. Now you can post in the groups, and you can also post on the main page. Yes, on your local community. When more people are looking at the pictures or whatever you're selling, Nextdoor will show more people. You get free impressions. Yes, I posted something on Nextdoor last week and I got over 1,500 impressions in less than 48 hours. A little over 24 hours, I get over 1,500 impressions, and of course that brought in some sales. Yes, you can make money on Nextdoor. So go to nextdoor.com. A lot of people are not talking about it. You don't need to run ads. One thing, please never ever run ads on Nextdoor. You're gonna waste your time. I ran my ads once, and I'm telling you from experience, it sucked. It never worked. So even posting organically got more impressions than the ad that I ran on Nextdoor. Thank me later. So yes, use Nextdoor to advertise your services and service your local community. Since it's local, it's super easy to get your clients. You don't even need to ship. If you have products that you are shipping, you don't really need to ship it. You can just sell to people in your local community and thank me later. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you, that you can try all these strategies and begin to make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, so go ahead and share this video with your friends. Forward it to your friends. Tell a friend about these juicy opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Mariam. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please, with my permission, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I'm super ultra duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.